Bada bing, bada boom, bada bing. We're live? Is it on? I think we are live. Yes, it is. It is brain, engraved brain. The brain is on, and it is not Thursday, it's Wednesday. It's Wednesday at AtlanticScrum, and it's Simon Jipko. Jipko, yes, do you want to tell me how things are going with you?
Okay, so basically this afternoon I was fighting with the cucumber tab. And was it Thomas? He posted the guide on the certificates, which is using cucumber. So that was quite helpful. Okay. And now I've just submitted a pull request.
Right.
With the email. Something I want to highlight. I'm not sure whether, I'm pretty sure it's how you wanted it to be. But for example, if you go to the website, and you
I was going to the pull request.
Organizational edits, you don't have to be an admin to view that. Yes?
So if we're going to this website, right? You mean the main one?
Yeah.
And I'm just pulling that up in a different thing where I won't be an admin. But okay.
Just, even if you're logged out, if you type at the end proposed _organization _edits, you can see them all. You cannot accept anything.
Okay, but it's still visible.
Yes. Yeah. So I was just wondering whether. Well, what was? Yeah.
Well, that's an interesting. I mean, I wonder if that is related to the bug that you started on the other day. Let's have a look over here. There was this. Not that one. What was the bug that did you?
No, I didn't click start.
We got edit postcode, deleting using. Is this not? Is this not?
I haven't started the book where individuals can. Is that the one you're talking about?
Give me a second. Yeah, I can't. Am I looking at the right tracker?
If you go to the icebox, if you look at the icebox, from top to bottom, I believe that was the one I was thinking to start working on.
Okay, yes. Right.
Icebox.
And this is the one I think that we tried to ask John about. Yeah. Okay, and we've moved it. Right. Did you move? You moved it back into the icebox, did you?
No, I was just playing around trying to look the whole link, and I'm not sure how I moved it to the icebox. Sorry.
Okay. No, that's all right. That's all right. I mean, I think this came in from. Let's just put this in as John there, and I thought I had sent. I thought I had added like a whole little chatty thing there to John.
I think that was no. You added this. It was in the public users can create and modify organizations. You've added that, and it's on my screen. If you can have a look, it's under Icebox, and it's over here, the second one. And
that's the one I'm looking at.
Yeah. And
I'm looking at the right one. I thought I had added a request to John to talk about. I would say this code is quite.
I'm pretty sure you posted it on
yeah.
Slack.
Yeah, it's maybe that's what I did. Yeah, it's just irrelevant. Oh, right. Okay, and then okay, yeah. So let me put that in there as well, and we'll see if John comes in. Okay. So the issue the issue you found now, I mean, in principle, this may be a related thing. I mean, although I would say in some ways, being able to see the list of proposed edits is not, is this a bug or is it a feature? It doesn't superficially seem to be a problem to me, although that's certainly something we could bring up.
Well, from one point of view, let's say if a user wants to double check what if they're proposing is already being proposed, then they can go to the proposed organization edits and see what it has suggested, and they can only view the details. They cannot approve anything.
Well, I totally take your point. I think that the good finding that. I think that's maybe create a ticket for that, and we can check with the client tomorrow to see whether that's a bug or a feature. Because it seems like, you know, if you're thinking about proposing an edit, then actually being able to see that someone else has already proposed it, you know, might be a good thing. So
yeah, it makes sense. It makes sense.
Yeah, but I think definitely open a ticket and pull that into the, you know, pull it into the current, and as a question we can ask the user.
Okay, yeah. And I also made some slight changes to the test. So basically the test, these lines weren't in line, and I would just put them to the right. That's only the changes I've done.
Okay, yeah.
So
it's okay, yeah. So I'm looking at, so you've got this, okay, so you've got a pull request in for me to review. So is this, you think this is the full functionality? This is ready for
yes,
review?
I believe this is the full functionality, yes.
Oh, cool.
I do a quick demonstration. It sends an email. So, okay, so if I log in, and if I pick an organization, oops, and I click propose and edit, and I type something. So let's clear everything. And I click propose and edit. It says edit is pending admin approval. And when I scroll up, I can see that an email is sent.
Great.
And I put in the email a direct link, because in my mind, I want to be able to click on the link, and it will automatically send you to the page. But it looks like to be able to go here, view details, I needed the proposed organizational edit number. And I wasn't sure how to do that. But yeah, I was just thinking maybe what the client to do. But right now, there is a link in the email that sends you to this general page. And that's how I discovered, I had an idea, oh, can you access it outside when you're local? And that's how I found this.
I think that's great. I think that's a great first pass. Fantastic, and we can show that to the client tomorrow, and we can get more input on it, and we can have, what I will do is I'm going to go get on the train now. I'll review your code and give you some comments on the way back. Now, were you working with Harry on this, or this was by yourself?
It was, well, we get with the Harry yesterday. We got the methods defined, but this.
But he was out today.
Yeah, and he was. Well, he was in, but he was like, I want to work on my CV because he had a meeting with the careers team, and that's fair enough. And I was just playing today mainly with Cucumber, trying to pass that test. But yeah, it was a joint effort. Yeah.
Excellent, excellent, cool. Well, I'll give you some feedback on that very shortly. But great work, great work. That's exactly what it's all about. Good stuff. Yes, I guess. So that's you also have to stand up from me. Yeah, I think we've got. Is the partial fix for the MOOC Homework 4 issue? Yeah, client meeting tomorrow. I should check with the client. It'll probably be at like 11 a.m. I've had I was just saying, yeah, some other people interested in getting set up local support on Ubuntu. Yeah, I should just check in with the client about confirm the time for the meeting tomorrow. But yeah, that's about the size of it. I also created a new epic for a local support, which is a refactoring epic, because I think there's often I get pull requests and they make me think of refactorings, and I think I want to get cracking on some more refactoring, kind of clean the code up in places while other people focus on developing features. But yeah, so I think that's basically it. That's a stand up, unless there's anything blocking you, such as what to do next.
In terms of what to do next, do you mind if I join the client meeting tomorrow? I'm always curious how a client.
You totally can. It is designed so that you can join it. So yes, please do join the client meeting tomorrow, and we can. Yeah, that would be very good. Yeah.
I might join from home though.
Basically, we're doing. Yeah, it doesn't matter where you are, as long as you have an internet connection. The client meeting will be fully televised. I mean, Google Hangout is. So yeah, we'll get you in that session tomorrow.
Thanks, Sam.
Cool, nice one. All right, I will give you more. I'll give you feedback on this podcast within the hour. All right. Bye for now.
Thank you. Bye.
Cheers.